please understand. When you complete with you, now you know any word you give it to you, you have to honor. Even if there's a car comes and stands next to you when you are in the stopping in the signal, you are standing in a signal, if a Benz car comes and stops, for a moment you will have a desire. Nice car, I should have it. Now you already gave a commitment to you. Either now you have to honor it by having a Benz car for you. If you can't, you have to complete with it by giving a declaration. I am dropping it. I am dropping this commitment. I am complete with it. What will happen? First few days, even your thinking will be such a big headache for you. Oh God, every moment I have to stand and complete. I have to stand and complete. I have to stand and complete. It's okay. Do it. Then you will understand within next few days, you giving words to you will drastically drop. That is what I call unclutching. You giving words to you will drastically drop. Because now you know you have to honor it or complete it. First thing, you will not allow the self-fulfilling negativities inside. Many times, even if I think positively, I know it is going to be failure only. You start thinking. How many of you think like this? Raise your hand. You see, how do you say you think positively? You say already, even if I think positively, I am going to be only failure, then it is negative thinking. You are waiting for the failure to come. Then how is this positive thinking? This is what I call self-fulfilling negative prophecies. Self-fulfilling negative prophecies. Only when you start living with this integrity, you will understand millions of benefits. Yoga Sutra says, Yoga Sutra is aphorisms of yoga, the authentic mother book of yoga, Bible of yoga tradition is Yoga Sutras. The author is called Patanjali Rishi, a great seer who is born and brought up in very near in South India. The place called Chidambaram is born and brought up. His tomb is there in Rameshwaram. He writes beautifully, Yogasya pradamam dwaram vangnirotaha. The first step in yoga is reduction in the words you utter towards you and others. So the first step has to happen in you. First thing should happen in you, in your life, is cleaning the space you are living. Integrity will clean the inner space you are living. Otherwise it is such a big mess. You don't know what you want. People come and ask me, Swamiji, what is the purpose of my life? Get lost. If you don't know, how will I know? I already found my purpose. You need to know your purpose. No, really. Your body, your mind, your heart, you don't know your purpose. Why you don't know your purpose? Because you uttered so many words which are not really your own. You repeated so many words which are given to you by others. So many crap you collected from others are now claiming ownership over you. It's like you allow a tenant to come and live in your house. That fellow, because he lived 30 years, he says, now I am the owner. You allowed too many tenants. Understand, you are not one person. You are a group of person living in one house. Your body. Poor body, what will happen to it? Literally, everyone is a multiple personality. Few have gone beyond the level of society. So, they need treatment. Others are able to adjust with the society. They don't need treatment. That's all. It's only allowable level of madness. MBL, maximum bearable limit. Understand, your integrity first makes you as a single being. Otherwise, you have to tell your name that way only. Ramanidharan and Co. And group living in one body. Balakumaran and Co. Ramanathan and Co. You are not a single person. You are a group of people inside you. Only with integrity, when you start thinking in integrity, when your cognition becomes integrity, you are becoming one. You start becoming one. The first step towards integrity is completion with yourself. Just to find out, please understand, this is just to internalize the integrity. This is the internalizing process sheet. Internalizing means analyzing for the purpose of internalizing. Many times you analyze to throw away. Anything you see, you throw away. Just see your life. I don't know what. Leave it. Throw it. It's okay. I don't need it. It is not that I am that cheap guy. I don't need that in my life. How many of you live with these patterns? Now, analyze to internalize. Analyze to internalize. How many of you are hearing this word internalizing first time? Raise your hand. You will hear first time because it is my contribution. Internalizing. Analyzing for internalizing. Now you pick up the paper. Please listen. Pick up the paper and read. I am reading it out. Integrity is you fulfilling the word you gave it to you and to others as if it is your very life. I just wanted to edit this. As it is your very life, not as if. Just remove the word if. As it is your very life. Honoring a word you gave it to you and to others as if it is there, but please edit. Cut the if. As it is your life. And experiencing the state of completion in you with life, in you and with life is integrity. Okay. This is a definition. Come to the internalizing process First, list down all the commitments you gave it to you and did not honor, and gave it to others and did not honor. Please list that. And second, please give a commitment to yourself to be complete with your words. So either fulfill what you declared to you or complete with all those words. Either be in integrity now or restore integrity with all the words you have given to yourself and to others. Ready? Can you start penning down? And pull out. Even at the age of 3 you had a desire for ice cream. It did not get fulfilled. Pen down now. Pull out everything. It's a time you give it to you for internalizing. Next few minutes for completing with you and experiencing Swapurnatva, self-completion. Listen, I'll give you the exact procedure for completion. Now read out one by one to yourself. Please listen, one by one, not completely, one by one, point by point. First read the first point and tell yourself, I have given this word to me but not honored it. So now I am dropping this commitment and completing with it. If you want to fulfill that in the future, then say within this date, with a definite date you have to commit. Clear? So sit with yourself, talk to yourself and complete every incompletion you wrote. Yes, loudly you speak to you. First time you are going to speak to you loudly.